So hello everybody, today I'm in the Istiklal Street in Beyoğlu. This place is probably most famous place in Taksim Istiklal Street in Istanbul for the tourists, for the people. Right now I will gonna show you where is this place. This place is alive still in 10 p.m., in 11 p.m., even in 12 p.m. That way I will gonna show you this place one more time. By the way, my name is Melih. I'm editor of the Places Visit Turkey. Right now we will gonna start our way with Kebap Dünyası. So everybody, right now I will gonna show you Kebap Dünyası. What is this place, what you can eat in here. Especially in Istiklal Street in Taksim, you can eat too much things, you can find too much things for shop and eat. Right now I will gonna explain what is Kebap Dünyası. This place is especially famous for kebabs and Turkish foods, some Turkish grill and other things. This place is opening in 10 in the morning and it's closed 2 in the night. You can come there also in Istiklal Street, behind, like beginning the Istiklal Street. You can, if you wanna eat something, if you start your trip before then start your trip, you can eat something in here. And especially you need to eat your kebabs in here. I just checked the reviews, what people write about it. They really like the Turkish kebab in here, especially meat ones, and they have other things like some house foods, homemade foods like rice, like other things like with some spicy, with potato and other things. If you wanna eat something, if you wanna start your trip and you're hungry before the trip, you can come here and eat something. So everybody, I just wanna check the menu. After that I wanna say which one is the most famous one in that menu. I just checked the menu and after that I saw, like I told you before also, first thing in kebab, you can eat here so good kebabs, but other things are döner, tea, and they make some breads, special breads in baking. They're baking some special breads. That way you can try that once. Other way you can eat in here desserts, some kadayıf, some kunefe. They are also so special in here. They make it so good and tasty. If you will gonna come there, you can eat some things. Reviews and comments, people are saying like we came here for lunch meal, we ordered kebab and other things. One thing's like hummus. I personally like that taste kebab. Yeah, the person is more Western, like Western, and usually kebab service and hummus is amazing. I expect to get more garlic taste. Yeah, actually, if you will gonna come Turkey, you will gonna taste so much garlic. That way, yeah, you need to be careful for it if you had something problem with garlic. Also, they're telling like the place is also clean and professional workers were to give a try. Yeah, you need to try that place, they're telling. So everybody, I just checked the Google why this place is famous, what they have and what they don't have. I will gonna say you everything right now. This place, when you will come there, especially they're famous about dinner and meal. If you will gonna come there, they're favorite about this. If you will gonna eat something, you can eat that things. Also, they have so much different things for you can eat, for you can try. For example, breakfast, dinner, meal, sweets. You can sit, relax alone and eat with your friends. It's all about you. And they're servicing in the table. You will gonna order and they will bring for you. That's the good things. But if you will be here, you can do these things. Also, I'm just checking the paying things. You can pay with cards, cash, and NFC mobile from then your phone. Right now, we will gonna show you all around where is Sütiş Kebab, where you can find it with our camera.
Kilo var mı?
Saat geldi ya.